You're sort of like a proponent of serverless-first strategy.
Yes.
So if you can explain more about serverless-first.
Like I said, go serverless until you can't. So if it could be serverless, it should be serverless. So that's a very good strategy because it reduces the operational overhead of your team, of managing fleet, managing operating system version, patching. It just takes care of so much stuff that your team would inevitably have to deal with if they go with the non-serverless architecture. I also like another aspect of the serverless architecture, which is more behavioral and cultural, which is there are constraints on how much time it could run for. Let's say an AWS Lambda could run for 15 minutes. There's constraints on the storage that you could use. And those actually enforce really good behaviors, positive behaviors of the developers to keep their applications small, their function and business logic, break it down into smaller chunks. All of us say, my code should be small and CRs should be really small and it's easier to review, easier to test. But then you end up writing these functions that are like 5,000 lines of code, right? So the serverless architecture imposes these constraints that encourage best practices to be used by the developers as well. So that's just a byproduct of using serverless that I like.